What is up, guys? My name is Stanley and welcome to 3 Minute Design. Today I want to talk more about the way you acquire customers, so I believe this is super crucial. You see, you can have the greatest app in the world, but if you don't have any users, it's not gonna go far. To be honest, it's much better to have some amount of customers and shitty app, because then you can fix it based on the feedback and analytics that you get. So getting the customers is not only crucial from the point of finance and letting your business survive, but also from the point of just a product and whole UX and data that you get to fix the whole thing. There is this famous story that Gmail at the very beginning, it had only one function, and it was to send a mail. So after you had a function to send a mail, then they thought, okay, so maybe let's add the function to receive a mail then, right? So then you got the inbox and you had the ability to receive and mail, and then gradually they added the functions till they got what they needed. But they didn't start the whole thing, like the whole huge project. They just launched lean and then gradually increased it. So how do you get your first customers? I've already posted about getting your first 1,000 customers, but it kind of shocked me as I yesterday went over through it again. But one of the most popular things to get your first 1,000 customers is to do things that don't scale. Reach to them personally, write them letters, reach out to people offline, just go and catch them on the street, literally. You can also do things like guest posting. That's also a great one. So you just contact the blog that's already in the niche that you're interested in, and you write an article on it, and do that maybe 100 times. So you'll get at least one customer, one user from each portal, right? And Seth Godin always says that it's enough to have 5 people to like your product, like your thing, to start the movement, to start the audience. So if you have 10 people who like your product, who use it, you're ready to go. So don't focus on getting millions. Don't focus even on getting 1,000. First of all, get your first 10 customers, talk with them, get the best what you can get out of the product, then scale it up to 1,000 by doing things that don't scale, like publishing posts and all that stuff. And then once you get 1,000, everything changes. Or that's what they say. All right. Thank you.